We're here with Mike Kuna from Kuna Law Firm PLLC. Hi, Mike.
Hello.
We've got a good question this week. I'm an owner of a car shop and somebody sued me for $10,000 in small claims court for the work I did in the car shop. I do have an LLC. How do I make the lawsuit against my business and not against me personally? Do I need a lawyer for that even though the lawsuit is in small claims court?
Well, the answer to this question is yes. Unfortunately, most likely you will need a lawyer for this lawsuit. The reason you'll need a lawyer is because although small claims are actually discussing cases beneath $15,000, small claims courts don't discuss issues revolving complex legal questions. This is a complex legal question, whether the lawsuit should be against the defendant personally or against his company. In order for the lawsuit to be against the defendant's company, the case has to be moved to district court. And then after the case is moved to district court, a motion has to be filed to amend the defendant to the company. Otherwise, what basically happens is piercing the corporate veil. Now, in order for the lawsuit to remain against the company, we have to prove in that motion hearing that the company is a real limited liability company and not just a facade. To do that, most likely you will need to show that you have separate bank accounts, that the company has an operating agreement, that all the decisions in the company have been conducted through minute meetings. All these elements for proof are things that a company should have had since the moment the company had been opened. And that's why a person needs to retain a lawyer at the opening stages of a company. Exactly for the reason that things like this can happen and lawsuits like this can always come through the direction of the company.
All right, thank you for that insight. If you want to submit a question, you can go to the Valley News Live website, click on the Ask an Attorney tab, and fill out the form.